how to send text messages using Wi-Fi or data on Google Messages. So if you want to send text messages using Wi-Fi or data on your Google Messages, then first make sure that you have an internet connection or a data. After that, go with your Google Messages application. Now from your Google Messages, you need to go and select a chat. Like for example, I'll select this one. After selecting here, you need to just type a message. Make sure that you have the internet connection. Type a message and you will have send option. You'll be able to send. But if you're not being able to send the Wi-Fi or data messages, then you just need simply go back and you need to go with the upper right, which has your profile. From the profile, you need to go with message settings. Under message settings, go with the first one, which is RCS chat, and make sure that RCS chats are turned on, because in my case I don't have a SIM card in this device, but if you have your SIM, then your RCS chats should be turned on. Once you've turned on your RCS chats, you'll be able to send text messages using Wi-Fi or your data. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.